Good evening and welcome to the 10th Annual CPLR update. And tonight we have a good turnout. We're also being on video tonight, broadcast all over the state of New York and elsewhere. Our very first speaker is the Honorable Daniel D. Angiolillo, a retired senior appellate justice and Pace Law School jurist in residence. We are so honored to have Justice Angiolillo as our jurist in residence. He follows in the footsteps of judges such as Chief Judge Lawrence H. Cook and Justice Sandra Miller of the Appellate Division. Justice Angiolillo served on the bench for nearly 20 years, and he begins the program.
Thank you very much, Jay, and good evening, everyone. It's good to see all of you. And tonight I've been asked to take a few moments to speak specifically about the CPLR Section 3101. But just first, a real quick aside, and that is during the past 4 months, I've had the opportunity to do some consulting work and some of counsel work in the commercial area and land use as well as matrimonial. And there was one particular case I'd like to mention to you, and that was in February. It was a non-jury trial. It was a commercial case, and I worked with Professor Halpern on that case. I enjoyed the experience tremendously, but I want to tell you how much I appreciated in watching. I was part of the litigation team watching his level of preparation. And as a judge for 20 years, I've got to tell you how much we as judges appreciate when a lawyer comes into court prepared. And it makes our job that much more enjoyable and also at times even that much easier. Watching Phil Halpern was really tremendous. I was there watching his preparation, and I certainly have great respect for what he and his team did, his law firm did. I noticed that this was a big client, and some people might say, well, he had a big client, that's why he did all this work. But no, it was very obvious that whether he was representing a big client or a small client, he was going to give it 110% of that preparation. And being on this team, I was with Phil Halpern, and the attorney from the other side, I think you'll remember this, Phil, he came in the first day and he saw Phil Halpern, and I happened to be there too, and he said, he said to the judge, I feel like I'm up against the 1927 Yankees. And I got to tell you, I kind of feel that way today.